Today we are talking about WhatsApp channels. Welcome to the Ask Natchi show. I'm Natchi Lazarus. WhatsApp channel is a new feature introduced by WhatsApp just a few days ago, and they've been rolling out this feature to more accounts. Even though the ability to follow channels was already rolled out, the ability to create channels was just rolled out a few hours ago. So that's why I'm making this step-by-step tutorial. First, a very quick 1-minute introduction on WhatsApp channels if you've not heard about it before. WhatsApp channel is like your organization's news feed on WhatsApp. Think of WhatsApp channels as a platform within WhatsApp where you can communicate with your audience, whoever follows you. Not just people in your contact, not just people in your database, but basically anyone who follows your channel. So just like how you would follow a TV channel or a blog or a popular celebrity, people can follow your ministry, your nonprofit, your church. And once people click that follow button, they will get all updates from you. Channels are very important on WhatsApp strategically for any organization. In the description, we will give you a link to find more details about WhatsApp channels and how it works. Now let's look at how to create your channel. Step number 1, go to your WhatsApp business app and go to updates. So in the business app, you will see this tab at the bottom and go to the updates tab. That's step number 1. Once you get into the updates tab, you will see this plus button. If you scroll down, you may have to scroll down at some point, and you will see this thing called find channels, and above that you will see this plus button. Click on that plus button, and once you click on it, you will see two options: find channels or create channel. So click on the create channel and you will be taken to an option where it will start showing you what a channel is. So as you can see, anyone can discover your channel. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history. So one of the key things to remember is whatever you post is there only for 30 days. And then people see your channel, not you, which means your phone number, your profile picture and name aren't shown to followers, which means if you create it with your phone number, you don't have to worry that it's going to be public information. And then you are responsible for your channel. They do have a guidelines. Highly recommend you look at that. Then click continue. Then you have options to add 3 details, a nice logo. If you're a church or nonprofit, I recommend you put your logo in there. If you're an individual, then you can put your photo and then your channel name. Try to create it in the church's name or nonprofit's name so that people know whatever is the public name that you think people will want to follow. And then describe it and give them a reason. Follow this channel to get, so for example, Connected Church Academy, we tell them follow this channel to get news and updates and trends related to the faith-based community, because that's what we do. So make sure you clearly articulate the reason why people need to follow you. So it's very important. And by the way, we will also link to our channel in the description. If you're interested in getting more information, you can follow our channel. Nice little plug. And then you go to the next step, which is after you create a channel, you'll get a notification that says this channel is public, visible to anyone. And then I want you to focus on these two things at the top, a link and a 3 dots. So 3 dots is more information. So first of all, if you click on the link, you will go to the share link channel. Very important. Once you create the channel, you obviously want to share it with your church members, your followers, your congregation. Make sure you copy the link and then share it with your church members and your followers. You can also share it on WhatsApp. You can also share it on your status, which I highly recommend you do because people follow statuses. And then you go back and let's click on this 3 dots. You will have this called channel info. Click on that and you check out, make sure everything is aligned the way you like. And one of the key things I want to point out to you is here you see so many followers, and you can only view individual followers who are your contacts. I just created it a few minutes ago. Even though I have a few followers, I can only see my own other personal number because that's in my contact. I can't see the other 7 people because I don't have their contacts saved, right? So that's another feature I wanted to quickly point out. So there you have it. That's how you create a WhatsApp channel, the new WhatsApp channel feature using your WhatsApp business account. I hope that was helpful. God bless you. Stay connected, stay blessed. If you have any questions for the Ask Natchi show, send them over to us. You'll also see the playlist of our earlier answers to questions. Do check them out.